Hello, good afternoon everyone. Samahan nyo akong makapanayam ang mga entrepreneur slash businessman ng Davao City. Thank you.
Business, kung anong in ngayon na business, kung ano ang trend ngayon.
Yumaman kayo tapos magsikap. Hanap kayo kung saan gustong, anong gusto niyo.
I did not study on business, but I attended a lot of seminars.
My motivation is seeing a lot of rich people.
na kay mga suppliers na manluloko. Oo.
Tama.
Then na magpalit sa imo sa
Good afternoon. Hello, my name is Ubay Orlando. I would like to ask you some few questions.
New businessman because I just opened up the internet cafe and it's been running for 6 months.
Na maging entrepreneur or businessman.
Distributor for Herbalife products.
I'm Dr. Robert Tampoy, awarded as a Doctor of Sales from an international company. And now I have two business, which is perfume wholesaling and massage clinic.
Motivated you to become entrepreneur or businessman?
Well, before of course, kung wala kay job, well, ang nakamotivate yun sa ko, aside sa hilig na ako, before pa ako nag-business, hilig na jud ko og dogs. So, why not sell dogs, di ba? So, I tried.
My motivation is seeing a lot of rich people.
Sa pamilya ko ngayon ng pera, maka-idea mo dito sa imong negosyo, di ba?
When did you start that kind of business?
I started on December 5 last year. But before that, I recently tried the product for almost 2 months because the product itself has kumbaga kailangan siya og kanang results
So
before
user and then become a
distributor.
okay. So first thing first, sir, who motivated you
Well,
to become a distributor or a businessman?
first thing is ang akong sister. So ang akong sister is mo jud siya ang nag-start sa ako ang mag-invite. Na-invite ko para mag-start po sa business. Well, first is na jud result. And pakita na ko ang result. Then na mga nakagusto sa result. Doon mo to nga na-interest ko sa business kay dali lang man siya isel.
So, where did you learn to handle this business, sir? Do you have education or do you attend seminars?
Wala ko nag-study. I did not study on business but I attended a lot of seminars, especially sa product na akong
Okay.
ginagawa.
So, what product do you sell, sir? What kind of product?
Okay, first things first, ang product na mo is dili lang siya nutritional. Pero ang main niya is nutritional. Like healthy, active nutritional foods like shake, aloe, tea, etc. etc.
So, in this business, sir, do you have any partner or ikaw lang jud mag-isa?
Wala may partner pero nami mga upline and downline. Mo na sila mantabang sa mga maka-earn po.
So bali murag connect ana.
Connect na siya.
So, what is the best thing for being an entrepreneur, sir?
Best thing siya kay independent sa imong time, independent sa imong syempre imong gusto himuon. Kaya kung nagtrabaho man gud ka, syempre committed ka mag-work ka for 6 to 8 hours. While kung nag-business lang ka, kung work ka nakikita, kung dili ka mo-work wala kay kita. Ana na siya.
So, naa ba kay mga employee ani, sir?
Wala ko employee pero na ako mga downline na nagatabang sa ko nga maka-earn po.
So, do you have any experience with your staff or your downline?
Na ako mga experience kay kailangan man nimo sila i-encourage nga kanang syempre para makakita pud ka, encourage mo sila nga mag-buy pud og product, mag-help sa ilaha nga unsa pagkita og makita ang kwarta.
About sa customer, sir, naa kay mga some difficulty nga nakita.
Una pod kay dili naman sila tanan mo sa imuha, naman po uban na mabilin jud.
So, how do you handle that, sir?
Syempre kay try and try until you succeed kay dili man sa tanang panahon ang business is always up naman jud down. Ay up na pud down ana.
So kana nga nga klase nga business, sir, daghan naman na karon, di ba, sir? So, ginaunsa ninyo na, sir, para makakumpit mo sa industry or sa
Well, namin mga ginahimo nga mga kanang competitions like weight loss challenge, 10 days trial. So mga inana nga competition, naga-gain ni ana og mga customers na interested pod sa amo ang mga results.
So, bali mao na siya inyong marketing strategies.
Mao na siya, isa sa marketing strategy.
So, dugay-dugay na kaani pod, sir.
Bago pa lang ko mga 3 months pero daghan ako og mga na-encourage sa business of mga downline.
How many years did your company started, sir?
Yes, I started it from 2008 until now. My online business is already still exists, and I have my massage spa, which is 6 years in business.
I sell dogs. Buy and sell at the same time. I breed dogs.
Entrepreneur or businessman?
My motivation is seeing a lot of rich people. My idol is Warren Buffett. He is a millionaire and he created his wealth through investing and running business. So I want to be like him too.
What or who motivated you to become an entrepreneur or businessman, sir?
Yes, I motivated. I am motivated by my parents because being a poor, I will be motivated to succeed.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And then, how did you learn to handle a business? Or did you get a formal education on entrepreneurship or business administration? Or did you attend seminars?
Yes, first my parents, because my parents is business minded, and then because we are poor, I started to be a self-supporting until I sell anything, I peddling any products before until until I finish my college, management accounting in University of Mindanao, and then become a doctor of sales, and I have attended many business awarding.
So, bali, ikaw lang ang nagpaaral sa sarili mo talaga, sir.
Yes, oo. Ako lang talaga, walang, kasi my father died when I was 16, and then wala na, nag-asawa na muli ang mama ko, and then ako na talaga ang nagpaaral sa akin ng sarili.
Thank you so much, sir. And then, can you please tell us more about your business, sir? What product you sell, or how much capital do you need to start the business? Do you have a partner, or you are a sole proprietorship?
Yes, sole, because I don't want to have a partner. Yung ating negosyo is yun, mga perfume wholesaling from international, from France. And then, yung massage clinic ko ay dito lang yan sa Davao. And then, ako lang talaga yung nag-raise ng capital. Ako wala akong partner.
So, yung nag-start kayo, sir, sa perfume nyo, how much capital na i-invest, sir?
Yes, sa perfume ko is more or less nag-invest ako ng 500,000.
Wow, big amount. So, this another question, sir. What is the best thing about an entrepreneur, sir?
Yes, being an entrepreneur, maganda talaga yung maging entrepreneur ka kasi wala kang boss. You are manage your own time.
Okay, sir. And then, what is the most challenging thing about entrepreneur or having a business, sir?
That's a very good question. Yes, being an entrepreneur, the very challenging is yung may kita ka.
Nice answer. And then, tell us about an experience where you had a difficult customer. How do you handle customers, sir?
Yes, during that time when I encountered a client, a very hard client, yung sinurrender niya ang product ko. Oo.
Sinauli niya talaga, sir.
Sinauli niya. Tapos ngayon, yung sinabi ko, don't do that. Kasi hindi ka negosyante kung isauli mo ang product. So, i-revive ko siya, i-training ko muli, i-seminar ko siya, at saka, binigyan ko pa siya ng mga tips on how to sell the products. Pinuntahan ko talaga siya sa kanyang lugar, at saka sinamahan ko siya sa mga lakad niya paano magbenta. At yun, naging successful siya.
That is how being entrepreneur is.
Yes.
So, and then, tell us about an experience, sir, where you had a difficult employee or staff this time.
Yes, yung mga may isa akong empleyado na talagang feeling niya ay talagang magulo na ang kanyang mundo, at pag may tao na nagpunta, mga client na magpunta sa aking store ay parang hindi na buga niya, at nalaman ko tuloy na talagang problematic pala ang staff ngayon. Seminar ko siya at sinabi ko na dapat yung mga problema sa bahay ay hindi dalhin sa store.
So,
Kasi
kinausap mo talaga siya sa personally.
siya in person, and then na-heal ko siya, at saka i-retraining ko ulit na dapat ay kung nandito ka sa trabaho, ay dapat
Trabaho.
Trabaho is trabaho. Hindi dalhin yung problema doon sa trabaho.
Thank you, sir. And then, how do you keep up with your competitors in the industry that you are in, sir?
Yes, the very important thing na mag-compete ka sa iyong competitor is to have a quality service. That's very, very important. kahit parehas kayo ng
Product.
product, pero wala kang quality service, lagpak ka pa rin. So quality service and of course quality products, of course.
Thank you, sir. And then, have you ever experienced failure or lugi? And then, what did you do to overcome that situation, sir?
Yes, sometimes ang negosyante is hindi talaga natin maiwasan ang pagkalugi, and that is our parang kailangan nating i-accept yan. Because being entrepreneur, being a businessman, kailangan natin na mag-isip tayo ng kalugian, hindi lang permi na bali income.
Okay, so here's my first question for you, sir. And then, what motivated you to become entrepreneur or businessman?
Well, before of course, kung wala kay job, well, ang nakamotivate yun sa ko, aside sa hilig na ko, before pa ako nag-business, hilig na jud ko og dogs. So, why not sell dogs, di ba? So, I tried.
So, how did you learn to handle this kind of business?
Actually, wala jud nagtudlo sa ko. At first, wala jud ko kanang
So, you don't have any formal education or seminar?
no, wala ko what you call that kani naga-supply sa ko o puppies like that. Nag-start jud ko, nagapangita jud ko from house to house, nagapangita ko signs nga puppies for sale like that. Oo, nag-start ko until nag-abot ang time, kailan na sila sa kuha, gina-contact na ko sa unsa, then mga pet stores, some pet stores, or kaya I could say most pet stores, kailan na sa kuha.
So, do you have any partner in that kind of business or you are a sole proprietor?
Yeah, before na ako yung mga friends, pag mga anak ang ilahang dogs nga na breeds, kanang whether pure or cross, ipabaligyan nila sa kuha, then patungan lang nako.
So, mahulog yapon siya nga mag-imuha lang.
Murag nga na, buy and sell siya sa first at then katong nagka-dogs na jud ko og sarili. Nagka-dogs na jud ko og sarili, so naga-breed na ko. Mas okay kung naga-breed.
So, what is the best thing about being an entrepreneur or a businessman?
Income, of course.
Income.
Basically, income.
So, in that kind of business, do you have any challenges?
Of course, naay mga mga suppliers na manloloko. Oo. Then naay magpalit sa imo usay peke ang kwarta. Ang pinaka-challenging na ko nga na-experience is gabaligyan ko 5 ka buck Shih Tzu, then tanan sila kanang infected of parvovirus, which is 10 out of 10 ang cases sa parvo is 1 out of 10 puppies lang ang makasurvive.
So, lugi kay ka.
Lugi kay ko. Then napausapan ako sila. Of course, maluwi ka sa puppy, madala pa nimo sila sa vet, mamatay rig na po.
So, sa ingana nga business nimo, how do you keep your business na makakompete ka sa mga competitor?
Of course, dapat quality jud ang imuhang sa imong products. Dapat kung moingon ka pure jud siya, then ang papers, ang health sa dog, importante na siya. PCCI registered ba siya? AKCUB registered. Oo, then dapat updated jud ang dapat updated ang vaccines. Oo, kay malugi man pud ka if magbaligya kag dogs, then naay sakit, ibalik lang gihapon. Balik nimo ang kwarta, magastuhan pa ka.
So, here's my final question for you. What can you advise for us as a future entrepreneur, as a student?
Honesty. Yeah, honesty jud. Of course, as a businessman, maka-experience jud ka og unsa. Maka-experience jud ka nga dili ka honest sa imong unsa, sa imong ginabaligya, balin nan loko ka. And then pangit ang epekto ana sa imong, mubalik yapon na siya sa imong. Mo na ko unsa lesson learned jud.
So, if we are going to have our own business, so we be
Yeah, dapat i-earn din mo ang trust sa
trust. So thank you so much, sir, for the
Thank you.
cooperation. So, how do you learn to handle a business, sir? Did you get a formal education in entrepreneurship?
I don't have any formal education nor seminar, but I studied a lot. I used the internet and researched. I studied how successful people create their business and become successful. So I just use their template, and hopefully I will be successful at that.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And then, can you please tell us more about your business, or what kind of business are you running? And then, how much capital do you invest?
My business is an internet cafe. It's located in Bangin, and I think I spent around 100 or almost half million in constructing the internet cafe, plus the purchase of 14 units of computer and internet connection and installation of the internet cafe system, where popular games which most of the gamers are love to play. So they will be those people who loves gaming and having to surf the internet. They're the one who is my market, and hopefully they like going there and having fun.
So, do you have a partner, or you are a sole proprietorship?
I'm a sole proprietorship, so I just invested my money, which I saved from my day job, and invested on my business for an internet cafe.
So, another question for you, sir. What is the best thing about being an entrepreneur, sir, or businessman?
The best thing is that you are the one who is in control. So, unlike if you are employed person, you are always bounded by time. You have to report to your work at 7 o'clock, then you go at 30. You can easily get out. You have to ask for permission for your boss. While you are a businessman, you are the boss. You can do anything you want. If you are tired, if you are lazy, then you
sir.
cannot do anything. You don't want to do anything, then you just lie on your bed. If you want to make money, then you go and get up and then run your business.
Okay. So nice. So, what's the most challenging thing about being an entrepreneur, sir? Or businessman?
The challenging thing is being more creative, and of course to expand your business and to think of more innovation so that your business will grow. And of course you have to fight it out with your competitors. There are other businessmen there who is also going in for your market, so you have to do something to be competitive.
So, how do you handle your customers, sir? Or do you have some difficult situation or experience
Well,
with your customers?
so far I don't have any problems with my customers. They are having fun.
And then, how about your employee or staff?
I don't have a big employee. I have my nephew as my employee, and we are working together. So it's just a small business that doesn't require any big employees. So it's just a family.
So, did you ever feel that you are having lugi, or
I have experienced something like that, but right now it's still doing up. But my business is doing okay. It happens around 2 months ago or a couple of weeks maybe, because right now there is a rotating brownout in our city. So if there is no electricity,
Yeah.
then you cannot have an income. That's a time when you have some loss in your profit. But right now the electricity or the power supply is already good. No more rotating brownout. There's only a few instances, but not unlike before.
So here's my final question, sir. And then, what advice can you give for us as a student, as a being an future entrepreneur or future businessman?
Well, first is you have to be creative, and then you have to have a goal, and you have to be determined, and you just have to set your dream and try to reach it. Because if you don't dream, then you cannot reach anything, you cannot accomplish anything. You have to set goal and then you go for it.
Thank you so much, sir. Salamat sa pag-interview.
And cut. So, ikadugay.
Kinsa ang nag-motivate sa inyo hatay na maging entrepreneur or businessman?
Linya lang siguro. Yung santok lang sa ano ba, yung kanang sa tingin pang ng pera. Maka-idea mo dito sa imong negosyo, di ba?
So, mao to ang nag-motivate sa inyo hatay na magbuhat ani.
Sa kahirapan.
Then, yung sa ninyo pag-handle ang ngani nga business din? Naaba mo ka ng formal education or kanang
Ano
attend
naman
ba
yan?
mo mga seminars?
Seminar.
So,
Seminar. Ano mga project mo na sa usap?
so bali nagtuan mo, nag-attend mo ani. So, through education, through seminars, nakabalo mo kung saan siya pagtuan.
Kami na lang na improve.
Nag-innovate, mga
Wapo ang produkto.
So, anite, unsa ang naa sa inyong product eh? And then, since nag-start mo, pila ang inyong capital?
Simple lang gani. Sa mga yung tawag yung pangano ng igyok tawagan na
Mag-blender, na?
mixer.
Mixer?
Mga isang kilo lang na.
So, kani nga business ninyo te, naamoy partner ani or kamo lang yun?
Kung nalay mag-order sa mga
So, bali wala mo'y kasosyo.
order lang din.
So, para sa imo te, unsa ang pinaka-best thing about aning business ninyo or being an entrepreneur?
Distin. Sikapan. Magsikap. Ano yun, yung bang
Bali, unsay advantage sa inyo te?
siyempre yung panginabuhi na. Ano yung panginabuhi?
So, unsa ang pinaka-kuante, pinaka-challenging part sa inyo ani sa business ninyo?
Challenging. Challenge.
Unsa ang mga problema nga nakuha ninyo ani sa ani ninyo nga business?
Problema. Sa reklamo ang tao. Kaya nagsikapan namin na ipa-improve pag yun para ngayon meron naanay siya ka na prove ba nga wako dito na
So, about sa imong mga employee eh, naka-encounter na pud ka ng mga kuan, problema sa imong mga staff.
naman kay mga pamangkin.
So, bali ang mga nagtrabaho diri mga relatives ng pud
Oo,
nila.
relatives.
So, tuo ra pud siya sa inyo nga dahil dili sila magpapadlong. So, ginaunsa ninyo te para kanang maka-compete pud mo sa lain ninyong kuan kalaban.
Paganda lang namin ang ang iyang
Wala ba mo'y ginahimo nga marketing te?
kasi ano lang man, order lang sila lang market customer.
Balik ka lang sa mga kuan, social media, internet, wala mo nagakuan. So, So, naka-experience po mo ko ante ka ng failure or lugi ani nga business ninyo. So pag start ninyo te, kuan diretso ka nang
Na, makaginan siya mo.
naalay mga problema gamay pero nakuan dayon ninyo.
Oo, ma-adjust lang. Okay.
So last question ako te. Unsa yung mahatag nimo na advice para sa mga ng mga entrepreneur, mga future entrepreneur or sa kanang mga para sa mga nga gusto mag-business for the future? Advice
mo, mangarap mo na yumaman kayo tapos magsikap. Hanap kayo kung saan yung gustong, anong gusto nyo negosyo, pagyamanin nyo.
So,
Okay?
sige te, salamat kay te.
Sige.
Thank you
Salamat.
sa interview.